Big picture, we need more playmakers. We need guys to make big plays.
Bob Quinn knew what he had, yet Friday, speaking publicly for the first time in over 7 months, the Lions GM said the team going forward needs playmakers making plays in crucial times. In related news, here are the highlights from Wild Card Weekend. Eric Ebron, a touchdown in the Colts win. 13 touchdowns in the regular season made him a Pro Bowler, adding another in the playoffs. Quinn said he was happy for Ebron's success and said Friday it just didn't work out for him in Detroit. Golden Tate was traded when the Lions were 3-4 this season. He scored the game-winning TD for Philly last night. Quinn said he moved Tate because of an offer he could not refuse. Hindsight is, of course, 2020. But for Lions fans this weekend, ouch.
My number was called. I knew I had to make a play, and, Nick just dropped a dime. He threw it, so only I can catch it. I just made a play. Just happy to have the opportunity to make a difference, to give this city something to cheer for, and we did something big on the road against a really, really good team, so I'm excited.